Last Christmas in this house. What do you got there?
Show up what you got. Oh, Lord.
Hey, let me see that nose. Hey, Cecilia, let me see that nose, girl.
Tell Papa what you did to your nose.
What'd you do to your nose? Fall down, you go boom.
Say one can't make a difference in a world so full of hurt. I believe the remedy starts right here.
Too bad some cashback cards only let you earn bonus cashback at a few places. Then those categories.
Uh-oh.
I tried my best to please you, but you never said a word. That's when I started dreaming about how my life would be. The way you dressed was important as a princess. To always look my best. Yeah, it's Elsa.
Thank you. Yeah, Mommy said I can fix her pants. A little stuff. Hang on, baby. Let me get my pants.
She's a good helper girl.
Very good helper. Thank you, love. That's perfect. Big hugs. Oh, I love you. Have a kiss too? Whoa.
No, it's my mommy. Well, pretty soon it'll be yours and your brother's. You're not going to share your mommy with him? No. I got news for you. Things are going to change. You have to share. What you doing? What is that?
Yogurt.
What type?
Huh?
What type? Do you know what type of yogurt it is? Root beer? Blueberry?
No.
Strawberry. Huh? Strawberry, isn't it?
No, it's pink.
Yeah, I think it's strawberry.
Pink.
Does it taste good?
I think I found some strawberries.
I think you did too. Good.
I'm going to find
Show me.
Papa. Okay, one.
Oh, that's how you do it.
You see that?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Look.
Uh-oh.
Look. Do you see that? I told my dad.
Yeah, still rolling.
Papa, can I? Papa. Papa.
Yes.
It's tangled. You have to be careful with it.
Yeah, you do.
Papa is not fit.
Okay, don't put that one in then.
Okay. Papa.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.